What's up, Ed?
What year is this?
50.
1950 Chevrolet?
When shopping for car insurance, consider this. Geico has been saving people money on car insurance for over 75 years. So if you're serious about savings, it's simple. Go to geico.com. After 75 years,
Hey, can you pull it out?
Save you money.
Spring into savings with Michael & Son's Precision AC Tune-Up for only $69. Extend the life of your heating and cooling system. Call Michael & Son today at...
Now you said that's got the Mustang front. Is that Chevrolet?
No, it's not Mustang, it's Camaro.
Oh, Camaro. I thought it said Mustang.
No, I said Camaro.
You sure you said Camaro? Yeah, I thought you said
No, 80.
Camaro. Not going to go with that.
74 Camaro.
Oh,
Automatic?
okay. I just was looking at it. I guess I got it clean.
How long you had this?
A couple months.
What year is this, Ed? Is this a 49?
50.
Hey!
350?
Yeah.
Power brakes?
Power steering.
Electronic ignition?
Mike's going up, buddy.